What's up, guys? We're here at Loretta, Lynn's. It's super hot right now. I'm ready for it. Coming off my last race, my first pro podium. It was a great feeling. It was actually my 50th race at a ATV National in the pro class for points. So big weight off my back. You know, it's been a struggle the past couple years, and I felt like just been every one more race that's went by has been more weight onto me, and now that that's kind of a big thing off my chest, gives me a lot of momentum moving forward. No rain this weekend, which is a positive. We've had our fair share of rain this year, so I gotta be thankful for that as well. So other than that, I'm ready to go. Let's get this race day started.
You know, we're here. We're coming off a win at Redbud, and we're ready to get on the box again and hopefully get another top spot victory and just put it all on the track like I have been. You know, after the mechanicals, I did have it early on. I just went out there and put everything on the track, and you know, I'm not going to change my ways right now. It's been working for me, so I just want to keep the momentum going for this weekend, of course, and then Ironman to follow. It's going to be cool to be there with the bikes, so hopefully I can put that Honda on the top step there too. What's up, guys? Finished up Moto 2 here at the ranch. Pulled the 1-1 for the victory today. It feels awesome. You know, I haven't held that red plate for a long time, and it feels really good to have it back. It's been a crazy season, and we've had our ups and downs, but we're on a incline right now. We're going up, so I'd like to keep it going. We'll see you there.
I put myself in a fighting chance for the final round, and you know, I just know that I got to put everything I got into this thing if I want it. So just got to work on the machine a little bit and get a little more comfy, and just go for it. And huge hats off to my team and everybody behind me and all the fans and supporters out there. And that's a wrap here at Loretta's.
Third overall, went 3-3 on the day. Man, I showed some great speed today. I really felt awesome. The whole team pulled together today, and we made it work. Excited to be up here on the box, and looking forward to the last round and then heading overseas.